Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a really freaking big deal because number one, I got a new camera, and number two, we have a special guest today and she's driving, so I don't want to distract her. But I'm going to Shenandoah National Park with Josie. And we've known each other since literally the birth. But we're gonna go hiking. We got an Airbnb tonight, so I'm just gonna be vlogging our national park adventures. But we're about 45 minutes away, so you know what, I'm not gonna bore y'all with me in the car. And I'll see y'all when we get to the national park. Guys, we are in line to enter Shenandoah Park. Josie has a national park pass, and look at this line. We're about to cruise through it because we have the pass. So don't even play. Don't worry, team. This is outlook number 1 on Skyline Drive. What do you think of the outlook?
I think it's beautiful.
Alright guys, well I am the biggest idiot, which you all probably already knew, but I accidentally recorded like half of this vlog in slow motion. So when I made it normal motion, it did not have volume. So I'm just going to be doing a little voiceover on a lot of parts of this vlog, but we started our hiking adventure by going on this like 2-mile hike. It was like 1 mile, pretty straight uphill, which had me actually out of breath. And then we came back down and went to a different trail because the one we really wanted to do was like 6 miles. So we just wanted to go to this one and look at the overlook, which is actually amazing. The overlook was actually like so gorgeous. Anyways, I was dying on this hike. I have not been working out because of a back injury, so my lungs were not prepared for this. Josie's a pro hiker, so she was like, wow, what is wrong with you? No, I'm kidding. She was really nice about it. I just felt like I was really slow, and I was. And then all of a sudden we got to this overlook that was just insane. It was like a little bit smoky, I think still from the Canadian wildfires, so the view wasn't crystal clear, but it was insane. And I loved like all the rocks near it because I thought that it just gave it like a really unique kind of look. But there were a lot of people up here and they were not the most friendly. I tried talking to some of them and telling them their dogs were cute and they were not having it. So I kind of just kept to myself up here. Anyways, then I gave Josie the camera and she took a little video of me walking up on the rocks, and I didn't know what to do, so it's really awkward. But this was me on the mountains. I was dressed like a Kardashian, so you know what, don't judge me. But I did have my new Keen hiking boots. So anyways, this was Hawksbill Upper Loop, and I think this was overlook number 1, possibly. There's a rattlesnake. Hey y'all, we're back on the hiking vibe. We just left, what was it called? Hawksbill Trail.
Hawksbill Upper Trail.
And yeah, Upper Trail. We just like went to the view and went back because this trail we're doing now, it's a like 4-mile loop. So it's waterfalls. Which way should we go?
I don't know.
I'm feeling this way. Oh, you're feeling that way?
It's really steep going the other way, but
so this is down and okay.
Down then up.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. I trust you guys. Those nice women just let us know how not to die again. But we are going to a waterfall and we're probably gonna go swimming in it, which I'm so excited for. I brought a bathing suit and
Josie did not.
All right, well anyways, I'll keep y'all updated you
Nature
know.
girl.
So, yeah. I've never been. What? Yeah, I already did that actually. I only came on this way because my cousin's down here. So I visited him and but I did New River Gorge, which was a lot of fun. I was there about a little bit over a week. I did the bridge and I did all that stuff. It was fun little time. Very active.
Okay, I'm recording. This is Josie. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my friend Rachel. She's about to jump into the water. It's a little bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, look at that girl swimming. So pretty.
Thank you, video.
You're welcome. Bye, channel. Alright, so here's more of me talking when I took the video with no audio. Oops, again. But I came back, or we both came back from the hike and went to our Airbnb, which is so cute. We met the Airbnb host, and she actually lived like right on the property. She was so nice. And we met her Dalmatian as well, so that was so fun. But I came back to give y'all a little bit of a tour of the Airbnb. And then basically we just stayed there, showered and stuff. And then we got takeout food from the little town we were in. But the Airbnb was like a studio, so this was the entrance. And then this was like the whole thing. There was a bed in the corner, which was actually really comfortable. And then there was this shelf with all sorts of fun stuff on it. It had like games, drawings, weights, literally had everything. I think those were sleeping bags or something like that. And we actually didn't end up playing the games, but I definitely wish we did. But we were really tired by the nighttime. And then there was like a couch and a TV, dining room table. And we watched this new show, reality show on the TV. It was so good. That's what we did instead of playing the games. And then there was just like a little kitchen area, which was really convenient because we ended up just making breakfast in the Airbnb. I don't know why I was showing the shelf for so long. Like I didn't show any other parts of the Airbnb, but yeah, here we go. This is the bathroom and the couch area. It was really cute. It was called the Spotted Dog Inn, and they actually had 2 Airbnbs on the property, including the host's house. So I would definitely recommend staying here if anyone wants to visit Shenandoah. Then I went outside to show you all the property, which was like so pretty. That was the host's house. And then over here, all right, I need to stop showing the bush. Over here was like the driveway where you pulled in. That red building, I think, was just like storage that the Airbnb hosts had. And then like right there, that's our Airbnb on the right. And then there was like a little pond. They had kayaks that you could go kayaking in, but I did not go kayaking because in the morning we were also ready to head out and go to the caves. But there was a little like patio area right there that we could chill at. And it was just so pretty, like so much of the yard. We just walked around a little bit that night and just enjoyed ourselves and ate. And over there, you can't really see it in the distance. That's the other Airbnb. It's like a glamping Airbnb, which was really cute. This family brought their son there because he wanted to go camping, which I thought was really cute. So yeah, also our Airbnb hosts had ducks. I love ducks. Then we picked up our takeout food and had a little dinner by the pond, which was so nice. And then we really just chilled for the rest of the night. It was actually incredible. Hey guys, I'm chilling in a hammock and I'm just having a good time. I'm very relaxed. The hike drained all my energy in a good way, no complaints. Josie went for a walk because I don't know why she wanted to walk more. We literally walked 8 miles today, but good for her. This is the view I have. Like, what? Anyways, yeah, that's my vibe right now. I really am just vibing. I'm chilling like a villain. I don't know why, but whenever I just like, I'm just not really thinking, I just start singing. Like, I'll be like, I don't know, I can't do it. Like, I can only do it if it comes on the spot. I don't know what is up with me right now. I think I'm just, like, so fatigued from the hike. I, like, don't know why I'm so out of shape. Like, we hiked 8 miles, which I feel like, girl. But maybe it's because we were like climbing and I swam in a river. And I'm worried about parasites now. Not the parasites. Yeah. Good morning. It's now Sunday and I woke up like, I don't know, I was in bed for a while, but then I got up like out of bed like 20 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. And I'm making some tea. Josie got up before me, so she like went out on a walk and I'm probably gonna go drink my tea outside by the little pond. I had such a relaxing evening last night in my hammock by the pond, so I'm definitely gonna start my morning that way again. And then we're gonna head out to the caves. But yeah, man, I could not sleep very well last night. I don't know why, because I was so tired. So I'm really looking forward to sleeping in my bed again tonight. Good morning, Josie.
Good morning.
What do you have to say about life right now?
About life. I don't want to go back
To life. Yeah, we don't want to go back to
He's
real.
still here.
It really is. And our Airbnb host is so nice.
Yeah, she's really cool.
Yeah.
The Spotted Dog Inn.
The Spotted Dog Inn on Facebook and Airbnb. Alright, so after we got coffee, we headed to the Shenandoah Caverns, and we were originally going to go to the Luray Caverns, which are a lot more like well known, but our Airbnb host actually recommended that we go to the Shenandoah Caverns because she said the Luray ones are like super packed and super touristy, and this one was still kind of touristy, but it wasn't too packed. So I appreciated her for this advice, and she said the caverns look like pretty similar inside. So we were just hanging out in the gift shop for a little bit because I think our tour started like 30 minutes after we got there. So we just chilled and looked around at all these little knickknacks in the gift shop. And then y'all, this was so crazy, but part of the, I guess, Shenandoah Caverns was this like parade float museum. So they had like some of the parade float stuff in the caverns. So we just like walked around. This was the other room. I don't know what this has to do with parades, but this was just so random, super camp, and honestly a little bit creepy. I honestly don't know what this was. If you have children and are thinking about visiting the Shenandoah Caverns, I would not bring them into this room because they might have nightmares for like a year.
Okay, that's what I was like, no, I must be here.
Alrighty, so this room here, it's called Bacon Hall. This hall is obviously most famous for its cave bacon. These two pieces right here were featured in National Geographic's magazine back in 1964 for being the most realistic pieces of cave bacon in the world. And it kind of looks like someone took a bite out of it right there.
Oh my gosh.
But other than that, whenever y'all are ready, y'all can go ahead and follow me onto the hallways. Please watch your head and your step. Be very careful.
That's her job.
That is so cool. I love that. Here in a cave or caverns. Difference.
I have no idea.
Good question. That is so cool. We are in the caverns. Repeat, in the caverns.
Cavern video part 2.
Hey y'all. So we just left the caverns and there were some really bad kids in our group and also some bad adults in our group. But it was really pretty, just a little bit overwhelming by some of the people and the kids literally touching everything when they said not to touch anything. But it's fine and we're on the way home now. Everyone tell Josie how great she did in her first YouTube debut. But anyways, this concludes the vlog since we're on the way home now. If y'all enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I post a new video. So I hope you all have a wonderful week and I'll see y'all in the next video.